In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify and start your camera in Microsoft Teams, perfect for your video calls. With a few simple steps, you'll ensure your camera is ready and working properly, so you never miss a moment in your online meetings. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Teams, Microsoft.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're already signed in, you should see the familiar Teams interface with various options on the left-hand side. If not, just enter your credentials and you'll be directed to the main screen. Look towards the left side of your Teams dashboard and find the calendar icon. It's typically represented by a small calendar-like image, and it's hard to miss. Click on this icon to access your calendar view, which displays all your scheduled meetings and events. After you've opened your calendar, head to the top right corner of the interface and click on the Meet Now button. This handy feature allows you to start a meeting instantly without the need to schedule it in advance. Once you've clicked Meet Now, a new window will appear, showing options for starting your meeting. In this window, you'll see the Start Meeting option. Go ahead and click on that. At this stage, Microsoft Teams will prepare to launch the meeting, activating your device's camera. Keep an eye on your screen, as this is where the magic happens. At this point, you should see your own video feed displayed on screen. Congratulations! If you can see yourself clearly, it means your camera is functioning correctly within Microsoft Teams. However, if for some reason your video feed isn't showing, there are a few things you can quickly check to troubleshoot the issue. Ensure that your camera is plugged in correctly and is not being used by another application. Also, you may want to check your privacy settings both on your computer and within the app to ensure that Teams has the necessary permissions to access your camera. For those who have successfully verified their camera, you're now ready to proceed with your meeting. Remember, consistent practice with these settings will help you conduct seamless video calls every time. Test your camera before all important calls to avoid any last-minute technical hiccups. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you become more familiar with setting up and testing your camera in Microsoft Teams. Having this knowledge in your toolkit will make your online meetings run more smoothly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.